Okay. Okay. I'm here from African Quick Learner. Today we're gonna see Unit 4 Mathematics Grade 12 Application of Differential Calculus. Application of Differential Calculus jechuun itti fayyadama deriveetii fi boqonnaa sadii keessa jira. Itti fayyadama haala jiruu fi jireenya uummataa jiruu keenyaa keessatti ittiin fayyadamna jechuudha. Application is means uses itti fayyadamu. Bilbilama application maal itti fayyadamu? Bilbilama application irraa qabuuna jechuudha. Tokko tokko ilaalla. Unit outcomes. Unit kana keessaa dhufe. After completing this unit, you should be able to find local maximum and the local minimum value of function on a given interval. Find the local minimum and the local maximum. Local maximum and the local minimum value of function on a given interval. On a given interval, given interval asii fi asii iddoo asii kan hamtuu eessaatu guddoodhaa eessaatu gadi xiqqoodhaa kan jiru kan adda fakkeenyaaf amma giraafiin kun bakka jiraate akkana kan jiru yoo ta'e asitti dhaabbataa jennu unniisa dhaabbata yeroo sanatti jechuudha. Which is maximum, which is minimum. Local maximum and the local minimum jennu. This is local maximum, this is local maximum, this is local minimum jechuudha. Local minimum jechuun no asiin amma kan akka gaara asiinis gaara asiin raaree jechuudha. Waan biraata kan qabu. Asiin gaara tulluu jechuudha. Tulluu gaara jechuudha isa jennu lafa olka'u asiin lafa gattachiisu jechuudha. Raaree yommuu kana jechuudha. Absolute maximum and absolute minimum of function on a given interval in math. Absolute jechuun addatti extreme jedhanii ibsanii extreme value of maximum and absolute or absolute value of minimum or maximum kan jennu. Kana jechuun isaatis giraafiin akka dhiyeessee giraafii yeroo sirrii kaasutti hin jiru. Ifama giraafii tunuma asittis ni dhaabbata because it is on a given interval jedhanii asittis dhaabbachuu jechuun asittis malee indi qabaachuu qaba jechuudha. Which is on this graph which is absolute jechuun hamtuu guddaan keessa kami absolute maximum is. Where is absolute maximum and where is absolute minimum? It is absolute maximum. As keessa asirra guddaa hin jiru jechuudha. Garuu absolute minimum isa qabduun gaafne malee absolute minimum qabna. Fakkeenyaaf amma asirraa fayyadamnu akkana dhaabbate function kun. Where is absolute minimum? This one. This is absolute minimum. isaan hunda keessaa xiqqaadha jechuudha. Fakkeenyaaf amma kun akkanallee haa ta'u, amma kunis sadarkaa xiqqaamina isaanii qabaame. Fakkeenyaaf amma kana as gabbuufnee asitti yoo dhaabne kunis gabbaadha, garuu hamtu turre gabbaadha. Yoo sararullee hamtu turre gabbaa. Kana is absolute minimum. Ennoo mana ijoollatti lafa haalaan gadi maal taatee jechuudha, gadi buutu yookaan lafa hallayyaa taate yookaan akkasii lafa fudhadha. Minimum value in the problem which is the study of theorem formula. Kunis tokkotti qaban mean value theorem. The mean value theorem mean if function is defined on a given interval and continuous at a given interval is defined f of x equal to 1 over x eugene at 0, quadru lama taus takaino yokana yemo is our given interval in Kenyan. Is it function is continuous or discontinuous? Is it continuous? It's not continuous. Why? Because 0 is included. Due to this function is going to be what? F of x 1 over 0. 1 over 0 is defined? It's undefined. Okay? Due to this function is function in malta wabene continuity to it is defined on in interval. On a given interval, and never defined this is undefined due to this fall, that law or that prediction or that arrange it give for continuous, that or this function is discontinuous. And even mean value theorem tokko umra hawal dimni lalluta asitti goyi isinitti onni jedhanda tokko lalla tokko solving problem study, solving application of problem, tokko extreme value of function, minimization and the maximization of problem, rate of change in this tokko jirama dalagaa itti fayyadamne dalagaa fakkeenyaaf khasaaraa fi bu'aas asuma keessatti tokko mul'atu tokko nama keessatti. Introduction is an introduction. Then you study like the birthday, you have a study why derivative you study, have developed a method to find the derivative and to derivative. Okay. Derivative can have different interpretation in each of the science natural or science, social sciences are derivative is interpretation. Yeah. For instance, velocity of particles, rate of change, displacement with respect to time. Fakkenyaaf amma kan chemistry nyutaa tokko qabannaa afur keessatti waa'ee rate changeidha. Saffisa isaan itti wal nyaatan jechuudha. Eenyu moleculoonni itti wal nyaatan. Who study is a chemical reaction. Saffisiisuudhaaf chemical reaction wal nyaatee saffisiisuudhaaf may be interested in the rate of change in the concentration of reactant in the concentration of reactant with respect to time yeroodhaan the so-called rate of reaction jennaan jee maal rate of reaction wal nyaatiinsa speed of reaction jechuudha. Rate is speed, rate saffisa wal nyaatiinsa of molecular and ammallee kanatti steel of manufacture is interested in the rate of change. Steel of manufacture jechuun warshaa feerroo hojii fayyishaa warshaa feerroodha. Kan keessatti isin fayyada. The rate of change is a cost of produce X ton hedduu warra fayyadu jechuudha. This is still per day guyyaadhaan with respect to X that called the marginal cost kan jennu kana jechuudha. Biology keessatti dalagaa qaba bu'aa qaba. Eenyu derivative interested what the rate of change population of colon bacteria with respect to time. Yeroodhaan maal godhuudha? Wal hormaata baakteeriyaadha jechuudha. Saffisa wal hormaata baakteeriyaadha. Keessattis bu'aa itti qaba uses yennoo itti fayyadama. In fact, the competition of rate change is important all natural science in keessatti barbaachisaadha. Akkasumatti illee engineering even in social science all the rates of changes can be what interpreted as a slope of tangent. Interpreted as slope of tangent. This tangent in kan boqonnaa sadii keessa ilaalle tangent is first derivative is a tangent. This given of the art of significant to the solution of the tangent problem. And whenever we solve the problem tangent involving tangent line involving tangent line we are not just solving problem in geometry, not geometry solving only. Not only we are also implicitly solving great variety of problem involving rate of change science in engineering. Okay, once you have developed properties of mathematical concept and for all, you can then turn around and apply the result of all of the science. Apply this is much more efficiency more efficient than developing property of special concept that separate science. The French chemistry Joseph Ferrier in 1768 up to 1930 put it briefly. Mathematical comparing the most diverse phenomena, discovering the secret analogies that unit them. We have already invested some of application of derivative. But now that you know differential rule, you are better position of pursue application of differential is a great tips. You will learn how derivative affect the shape of the graph of function. Derivative affect the local maximum local minimum mass in many particles of problem requiring to minimize the cost. Maximizing the cost area show to the finding the possible outcomes of switching. Hello, the ham area balina assistant open problem. We start with question as like our channel. Quick question name square sheet of cardboard whose area is is used to make open box by cutting a square of equal size from the four corner and folding up the side. What does it mean? This is easy. Sorry. The area square is used to make open box. Wanni chokii fangisa kan wal jiran sandu gara dojula asis roga gre murti asis roga gre walkite asis murti rada bide samboda iya kuna murti bide anas murti bide anas murti bide samboda folding isangana anas olta chavda anas ni de chavda oltejo. After that you can get a box 1 year kachitan desa samboda box yejo tentuga raito choni nenda maito yala me yantana akan godu warga roga bre jiran warga bre roga ananis roga bre ramurta mogga tananis roga bre ramurta walkita ejita asimurtes walkita zawati sangudu dafa mo khana yo tokorai jalgaba tokorra roga bre murata finta tokorrai jina finta khanira tanuma sira murta nachira khate qiyasa tanati murta tanati qiyasa tanati akasi qiyasa tanati walkita sini dufu dendisi yo measurement ingawanilde la koitu yo isimbere nyirane la kasgotani yala dendisa gava sitto kamja what the size square is should be cut to obtain box with the largest possible volume gabaju daf guddo to akaborsa wanni gudda daf yandu gudda ka daf angona from everything guddifte roga gama ra guddifte tan mazara murtan gama khan tarafa sanin gatte ramurt tarafa qabdi tarafa khanani dekete tan warra gatte ramurt kita sani tinje jura sani khanani dekete murta tan boda folding gota gama siya betan ol dachata khanas ol dachade samboda zandu gudda rogitan dida ya. You can try it at your own. Okay, let's jump on 4.1 is extreme value of function. Getting extreme is two meaning. How extreme low and extreme what? High. Extreme xiqqaa fi guddaa qayyabata. Very small fi very tall akka jedhamu which is adjective. Gatii guddaa fi gatii xiqqaa keessa qabdi. Extreme high value and extreme low value of function jechuudha. Let's jump on this. Revision on zeros of function. Zeros of function is zeros of function is nothing. Zeros function is 0 x plus 2 equal to 0. You knew that 0. This is solve it x plus 2 minus 2 equal to 0 minus 2. Beta in a 0 as a minus 1 rare as it is minus 1 rare as it no sorry as a minus 2 rare as it minus 2 rare as it minus 1 rare no minus 1 as it rare as it kayo as it kamayon as a lama for as a lama for this is rule. Minus 2 minus 2 zero's function of x plus 2 is minus 2 is zero's function of this function. The fundamental theorem of algebra states every nth degrees polynomial has at most n real zero. N real zero. What does it mean? Margin asset fakkeenya x f of x f of x equal to x is the power of n x is the power of n at most yoo guddate zeros meeqa qabdi jaha functioning kun asiin fadhoo akka bareetti akka dhaloo asiin itti deemaa waluu rakkoon qabu because kanaatu guddaa waan ta'eef x plus 5 2 plus 5 is a demo. This is greater one on the pathway than the mega values are the at most you zeros zeros root but I can avoid your functioning. F of x you'll get x the power of n is 0 at most n is 0 real 0 problem of finding zeros of polynomial equivalent to problems of factorizing polynomial into linear of quadratic function in the earlier grades. Polynomial function, linear function, quadratic function. You have studied how to find zeros. Function zeros refresh your memory. Refresh serum. Yeah, then know the considering the following revision, not the following of number of n n is 0 sign function if and only if you want to take over f of c equal to 0 c is zeros function and zeros of function. C is zeros of function. Why? Because f of c equal to 0 and nothing is f of b f of b equal to 0, f of e you can f of e equal to sorry equal to 0. Don't hang up on c ratti on engineer Congo. This is c is constant, e is constant also. G is constant, also Z is constant, Y is constant. That is find real zero each of the following function. Kanama yerootti gumnu kanama 3x ja 3x minus 2 equal to 0 booda san booda asitti kana dhaamsuudhaaf plus 2 itti godha asitti plus 2 godha. And then what's left? 3x is left equal to 2 divided by 3 divided by 3. 3 by 3 is cancelled out. What's left? X equal to 2 over 3 is zero's function of this function. Let's plug in who is zero's, which is zero's function of this function. F of x in 3 but x mega 2 over 3 then minus 2. 2 by 2 is cancelled out. What's left? 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. This is zero's function. Therefore, zero's function of this function is what? 2 over 3 is answer for this equation. Jump on B. F of x equal to x raised to 3 minus 8. X is the power of 3. F of x equal to y y equal to y equal to x raised to 3 x the power of 3 minus 8. Let's make it 0. Y is 0 equal to x raised to 3 minus 8 plus 8. As it plus 8 is 0. 8 minus 8 is 8 plus 8 is 0. This is we have here 8 is left. See, x raised to 3 minus 8 equal to 0. X raised to 3 ana yeroo gamas dabarsin akkas beekama gamas dabarsin of gamas kongo 8 asii goota 8 is maal goota 8 jechachi dabaree maal tochinkiise kai 0. This is 0 is left. Therefore x raised to 3 equal to 8. Let's make it cube root. Let's make it under cube root. Cube root 3 by cube root is cancel out. What's left? X is left at the right or left? Left. Okay. At the left is we have no. X is left. At the right raised to the radical of 80. 80 radical of 80 2 raised to 3 to 80 damage. Let's make it 280. 2 raised to 3. And h 2 by 2. No, 3 by. We made a mistake. This is nothing. Kan yang dah ni jero. Mereka itu 2 dah itu. 2 is the zero's function of this function ni dah itu. Beri kamu rati diko. Beri kamu na saya dah sorry. Pardon me. X raised to 3 equal to 0. X raised to 3. 8 plus 8 equal to 18. Due to this is cancelled out. Our result is 0. X raised to 3 equal to 8. Then make it under the cube root. Asitto under cube root gonna asitti under cube root gonna asitti under cube root gonna 3 by under cube root is cancel out. This is only left. We have x. This is also 8 is what in 8 is 10 raised to 2 raised to 3 is equal to 80. 2 raised to 3 let's go 3 by 3 is cancelled out. Our result is 2. Okay, let's jump on this. No, minus time is minus. So let's minus 2 raised to 3 plus 80. That's 18 ban. This is 3 then minus 2 times minus 2 is 4. 4 times minus 2 is minus 8. Minus 8 plus 8 is 0. Yes. Okay. Kano mana goda f of g of x jami. G of x akatanu 0 gode. Samboda crisscross waliin goda. Tanaaf isin baay'ee meeqa si'a 0 baay'isu any number is 0. One fed 0 baay'inaan 0 si dhufame seera maatii keessatti. Our left is 1 minus and the radical of x equal to 0. Asitti maal goona? Asitti plus 1 asitti plus 1 goona. This is cancelled out. Minus meeqatu asin noofe? Let asirratti goona. Asitti minus root x in noofe asitti 1 yaaf. Am I right? This is 0 in 1 minus and the radical of x equal to 0. Maali kana dhufe kana gidee bakka sana 0 goone kana baay'inni maal ta'a 0 dha. Kana ofeenyu qofa jechuudha. Denominator times y equal to 0 is what? 0. Due to this, we only have our left is what is numerator. Numerator itu qofa ta'e gidduu dibbifamaa fi dibbachiisa. Kasi waamamaa fi waamsisaa jechuudha karaa biraatiinis. Eenyu qofaan na keessatti jechuudha waamamaa noofi. Echichi dabarsine fakkeenyaaf dhiisi. 1 and the radical of x plus x. The radical of x is also 0 plus and the radical of x. X by x is x minus x is cancelled out. At the left we have only 1. As a radical x now. Kana square good yala basuda kana square good. Yeroo square good omega seva as x is x mali choka x in kenya 1 day. Function kun 0 dhufa jira. Let plug in metti galchine halallu. G of x in g of x equal to 1 minus and the radical of pakatana 1 goone. Okay, x no okay, x is na sorry 1 goone plus 1 over square in 1 radical what 1 is 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 divided any number is what? It is 0. Kuntuda 2 square 4 yakkoda ngabu 0. 0 divided by any number. 0 divided by billion. Billion is 0. 9. Let's make it 0.9. It is 0. 0 times any number is 0. 0 divided by any number is 0. But there is exception. 0, any number divided by 0 is undefined, is untangled. According to the rule of mathematics, is untangled. It's dead wrong. Don't worry with that. Okay, kanas hojjetan jedhee yaada. Kanas walumaa kita 0 wal qixa gootee 0 wal qixa gootanii daleetu kanas 0 wal qixa gootee gaafa 0 wal qixa goote kana baay'isu kanas 0 dha. This is our left is x square minus 8x plus 7 equal to what? 0. Samboda kana baay'ifamee nu fidu ida'amee kana nu dhufu maali? Minus 7 fi minus x, minus 7x fi minus x, because minus 7x plus minus x is minus 8, minus 7x times minus 7x times minus 1 is what? 7. Because on C is we have to eliminate variable away. Jira madam sukunami ya lakkoofsa jira is not taking the influence, because x square minus 8x plus 7 jenne kana jechuun lakkoofsa kana godhan ida'ame kana nu kan baay'ifame kana nu kan eenyu minus 7 minus 1. You got me? Minus 7 times minus 1 is positive positive torba positive 7 jechuudha. Kana gisee walitti dhaanu akkasii kana bakka kana buufnee plus 7 goone this is x jira due to x times 1 tana godhanna waan ta'eef as is x jira. Okay, as x square x irraa baaftu x minus 7 asittuu minus meeqa irraa baaftu? Am I right? Yeah, minus irraa x asittii minus 7 taa'e, because as minus times minus times minus kana positive keenya nu dhufe jechuudha. Due to this is a factor. Our factor is x x as 1 jira as takka keessaa bal'ina x minus 1 x minus 7 is our factor. Due to this, when we solve, make it 0. When we solve x is our result is what? 1 and 7 in Asia. As gava 7 each dabarti make torba 0 is 1 it divide. Kana akkasuma wal qixa 0 gootanii dabalee y intercept x intercept jechuun y intercept jechuun y intercept jechuun maal jechuudha? Gaafa x in 0 ta'e gaafa x in 0 ta'e y intercept na gaafa x intercept inni ta'e y equal to 0 pay attention. When we say x intercept, we have to know what? Y equal to 0. When we ask it or say y intercept, we have to know x equal to 0. X is 0, y is 0. When y intercept, we find y intercept, we should have to make what? X equal to 0. Not should, it's must, you know. Come on. This is a square go 0 go then a 0 go denominator times y is what? 0. Our left is what? Only numerator go x square plus x minus 6. I got sorry as it is y going, yeah, y in is wrong. Okay, why 0 because we are finding what y-intercept, not y-intercept, x-intercept. Sorry, so that's x minus 1, not 1, 6 equal to 0. Nakosa walitti idame minus walitti baay'ifame annu qaba idame annu which number is given when its product is x or 1 is not product. When we add them is we got what the result is x or 1. When we product them is our answer is what minus 6 equal to 4. Product jechuudha times jechuudha biratiin. Okay, mega jechuudha minus 3 3 to minus 2 minus 2 minus 3 times 2 is 1. 3 times minus 2 is minus 6. You got me? Okay, kind of one x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6. As I catch of that, x is all the x plus 3. No, make a solve good minus 2 because 2 is about. And I join minus 2 and I give it positive in the malivi 1 minus 1 you tell them is minus 1 times and I join positive that in order and if positive goes high. No, as said, because we solve it from them to 1 jalagale. The left one is 3 as x is dry. Yeah, x plus 3. Okay, as a takana from the x plus x minus 2 x plus 2 x plus 3 somebody 0 to quick with any more elevas and money or to no anas akasumugotan anas 0 in y-intercept x-intercept and y must be 0 to go in must be 0 to go in pay attention of y is 0 and the radical of 1 minus x and anas square goda anas square goda. Don't forget to make it a square. The same good what all is got the 0 square is 0. This one is minus x. Let's add both plus x. This is also plus x. This is x. Final answer is 1 because when we put 1 here our answer is 0. Due to this our answer is what is correct answer. The Japanese it is a secret question. Secret that on why x raised to 4 plus 4j no plus 1. Kanama 0 gaafa goonu y gaafa 0 goonu jechuudha. Godime y equal to x raised to 4 plus 1. Let minus is also minus 1 is plus garuu waan hin kana godheef isinii galee jira. Maaliif hin asiin galee? You got me? Fakkeenyaaf amma x minus 2 yoo jee maayinasiin tun teenyuti ta isaati moo ta isaati ta lamaati maayinasiin. Due to this, when I put it as a fakkeenyaaf 0 equal to x raised to 4 plus 1 jennee when I put minus 1 it doesn't have a meaning. Okay, it is positive jechuun hin akka asii garuu maaliif itti barbaanne nuti as minus in irraa deemee asii minus itti barbaanne akkana kaa'amuu qabu jechuudha. As we have to make it negative as something as ta'uuti jechuudha. You got me? Negative as ta'uuti jechuudha. 0 positive akka positive ilaalte yaadan takkaammoo 0 irraa asii fi asii minus 1 as goota jechuudha. Akkasitti kun waliin dhaame yoo ta'e minus 1 irraa goone because asittis minus 1 irraa hirrifne. Garuu our answer is what? X raised to 4 x raised to 4 equal to minus 1 here. Let's make it under radical, under force 4's root, as is 4's root, 4's root. This is cancelled out. X equal to under radical of 4's root minus 1. Ikan iga basir. Real number iga basir. Don't put minus or negative under the radicals when radical is even. It is dead wrong. Dead. It's dead wrong, okay? It's dead wrong. This is unthinkable. One year them if you wanna go down. Due to this is unsolved issues. Nothing is none. Injiru deebisaa hin qabu injiru lakkoofsummaa lakkoofsa fayyada fakkeenyaaf x silaa fakkeenyaaf kun 5 ta'e dhugaa odd yoo ta'e odd minus 1 yoo ta'e immoo minus 1 jalaa as 5 jechuudha gaafa ta'e this is odd 5 is odd. Okay, due to this we can out them the odds. The radical odds minus the radical odds is out under the one. When it's even it doesn't go, it doesn't meaning. It's a stupid thing. One here unthinkable dead wrong. It is unsolved. Because okay, jump on kanas no define 0 akkamita ka barbaadu yaa gaafa fakkeenyaaf amma wanni zeros wanni kana gaafa dheeratee fakkeenyaaf x square no x is 3 could even 5 gono minus 2x plus 1. Let's make it 3. You got me? 3 x square plus xy chakadimami is y akane chakaba dimu akame bazu dandeenya jaafa keenya amma 1 is galida bakka x is ane 1 itti galida 1 itti galida gaadu 1 raised to 5 is 1 1 raised to 3 is 1 minus 1 due to 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Okay, 1 make it plus 1. What is this? Plus 1 is right now. This is 1. This is x square. This is when we plug it 1 gaafa sigal gitu mali gaafa 1 sigal gitu 1 plus 1. You got me? Okay, let's make it 1. x5 margin x5 plus x raised to 3. No, 2 plus 2 minus 2 minus 2 x raised to 3 plus x raised to 2 plus 1 hagoonu mee fakkeenyaaf haa gabaabsinu. Yeroo gabaabsinu garuu kan nu dhufu yoo is minus goone 0 nu dhufuu danda'a. Because when we plug 1 gaafa tokkotti galchinu jechuudha, this is 1, this is minus 2, because 1 raised to 3 is 1. 1 times 2 is minus 2, plus when we put it 1 garuu gaafa farasii goone kan nu dhufu yaa plus 1. Can we get answer? This is minus 1 is left plus asettu non dhufu jechuudha. Okay, but inni garuu yoo xiqqaate maal jechuudha, zeros 5 qabaa jechuudha. Zeros funkshinii meeqa qabaa? 5 qabaa jechuudha. Akkana gootaa barbaadani kanumatti fakkeenyaaf kanneen funkshinii itti yaadame kanneen itti yaadee kanu 5 minus 2x square minus x minus x plus 2. Let me make it 2 plus 2. When we plug in 1 gaafa galchitu mee 1 itti galchi 1 gaafa si galchitu maali 1 minus asitto 2 dhataame 1 times 1 raised to square raised to 2 is what 1. 2 to is minus 1 du'a kuni kuno minus 1, because when we plug in 1 times minus 1 is 1. This is minus 2 plus 2. This is 0. Avoid another 0 value. Bifa kanaan barbaadani garuu funkshinii akkanatti barbaadamu inni jira ture. Bifa frakshinii kaa'ame garuu frakshinii amma hin qabanneef malee akkana gootaniiti taa kudhan sirri jira. Fakkeenyaaf asumma numeeratorii as gala yeroo isin dhufe sana asitti minus 1 farraa gootanii sanboota kana firtanii akkasitti baasuu dandeessan. Yoo kanas barbaachisaa ta'e viidiyoo biraatiin qabadhee dhufuun ni danda'ama. Let's jump on. This is just revise. Just refresh. Refresh, memorize. Yeah, then why is not home? It's nothing. Zero's function is easy. Easy busy. It's critical numbers and the critical value. Critical numbers and the critical number and the critical value. What does it mean? We look at a lot. Sorry. The maximum of maximum and the minimum of value of function. One of the principle is equal of calculus is to investigating the behavior of the behavior of function. As part of this investigation, you will be laying the groundwork for solving the large classes of problem that involving finding maximum or minimum value of function. If exist, such problems are often called optimization problem. For example, goal calculation get investigate to behavior inside and the varies different at the head. The function is as a part of investigation. You will be laying the ground working to solve or for solving the large class of problem involving finding the minimum and the maximum values of function. Minimum maximum if it is exist such problem is the optimize problem. Go to the optimize. You will be introduced some of useful terminology. But before that, do the following some terminologies under activity. Let's do it. Given setting of nature, because my function is given also. Let's plug in. Find the S prime f of x element of set is an iteration. When we plug it, x in is gonna be f of x 2x plus 3. Let's plug in 0. 0 is 0. This is also 0. Our answer is 3. When we plug in 1 times 2 is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. First one we got what? 0 times any number is 0 and this is 0. Due to this, the left one is 3 only. Therefore, 1 times any number is the numbers that number with time with 1 la cosa nanti ta 1 divided when we any number because that you have 1 imagine la cosa due to the 1 when we plug in 1 is this function we got what 2 because 2 times 1 is 2 and this 2 plus 5 is 2 plus 3 is 5. They plug in 3 3 2 gitu gaba 2 kali sini mega berarti mega kali sini 0 kali sini lama kamna sorry tadi kamna shanga namu kawa lama kali no kawa tak kali sini lama kali sini memang f of x equal to 2 into plus 3. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 3. Our result is what? 7. Then make it 7. 7 good. Okay. Let's plug in 3. 3 go to 3. Make it 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 3 is what? 9. Let's plug in 4. Gaba lagi to 4 times 3. No, 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is what? 8 plus 3 is 1. Let's make it plug in 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 1 3. This is our answer for this question. This is 7 as it. As it one journey. Okay, which is largest one? 1 3 is the largest one. Smallest one is 3. The common is the then 1 3. Okay, it is enough for today. We come back on this. We'll start from here.